Glenwood Springs right now, Colorado. As you can see, the weather is significantly different than what we were dealing with earlier today in Arizona and Utah. As we went north through Utah, we encountered a bunch of rain, and slowly and surely it turned into this. You know, it's not easy getting up here. The roads are really slick, and glad that people out there are plowing the major freeway of I-70, but this is not your typical day, even for Colorado standards. So we're happy to show off what Model S can do in the winter, that's for sure.
That was an adventure. Came out of Grand Junction where the snow started to come down in earnest. At that point we went with a less aggressive regen. Allowed us to plow along at a good 40 to 45 in good control, and I loved it. So we were just cruising along, having a good old time.
So we just arrived at Cheyenne. We knew that the very end of Silverthorne through the Eisenhower Tunnel was going to be pretty bad. We were greeted with unfortunate news that Interstate 25 from basically Fort Collins, Colorado, all the way north to Wyoming was closed. So we had to detour off into side U.S. federal highways as well as Colorado state highways. It was very, very cold. It's currently 12 degrees outside Fahrenheit. At least we got both cars supercharging now, but the rest of the caravan isn't here yet. So we've got a lot of scheduling things to work out and get back on track if we want to have a shot at this world record. So that's the situation right now.
Mark and Susan Cutby. We own the Covered Wagon Motel in Lusk, Wyoming. The first Tesla charging station in the state of Wyoming. It just seemed like something new and exciting and great for our community and for our state too. You know, once the charging stations are more available, I think they'll create more interest then.
I can't wait to own one.
It's great. The roads are completely clear right now, and that's really cool because we're kind of at the same time proving out the prediction capabilities of the software in the car, and coming down the highway, we were just adjusting the cruise control up or down by 1 mile an hour, and based on that, we're able to basically flatten out our prediction to 1% and arrive here with 1% charge, just like the car said we would.
Up the cars, let's meet inside. excited to see you guys making history here tonight. When I did a trip over Christmas to Toronto, the supercharging stations are so fast. By the time I order a meal and I go for a restroom break, the car's already fully charged. So it feels like there's too much pressure to get back on the road.
Well, I apologize on behalf of the Supercharger team. We love our car. We've got 16,000 miles on it. I'm never looking back. Just excited to have this vehicle. I've wanted to have one since I was 15 years old, but Tesla wasn't in business. So thanks for making a car that is absolutely no compromises, and it's electric.